You all know that hiring the kids is an amazing strategy. Why? Because you shift income from your tax return, from your business to your children, and they get a standard deduction of like $15,000, and now they don't have to pay taxes because they're at a zero, and you do it right, you don't have to pay Social Security on their wages. But who really is hiring the kids and actually having them work in their business? Are you guys working for me? Yeah. What are you doing? No. Eating bananas is not part of my business. I know it's part of lunch, and lunch is important. Blowing up stuff, that's not cool. You rake my leaves? Leaves? Yeah, yeah. No, but I'm an accountant. I'm not a lawn specialist. So you see what I'm saying? You can hire your little kids, your little minions on paper, but you actually have to have them do something that your business needs. So I'm an accountant. My kids take videos of all this that I'm doing. I do a lot of social media marketing because that's part of my business. That's how I lure in all these amazing taxpayers who have tax issues. They watch a video, how to hire the children. They don't know how. They don't want to get audited. They don't want to have issues, so they hire me. So I hire my children to help me with all my social media. My social media is time consuming. I need someone to hold the camera. So what else could an accountant do? Okay, I shred paper. I don't think that's really something you need your child to do. I barely even print. So 20 years ago maybe, but now shredding paper, if you hear someone saying my kid is shredding paper for $10,000 a year, they're just shredding tax fraud, okay? Social media marketing, maybe cleaning the office. I mean, come on. Just be reasonable. Don't pay them more than you would pay anyone else in the industry if you were hiring them. Think of a maid. How much do you pay a maid? $15 an hour? $100 a week? Okay, $15,000 a child per year is a lot of money if they're not really doing anything. Think of the age, 6-year-old, 7-year-old, 3-year-old. Okay, my 12-year-old actually is gonna be doing my video editing for me. They're gonna actually be helping me with my emails, my marketing campaigns. I can only think of kids really helping out in the marketing department. Or if you have a warehouse, if you're a business that sells things online, they can help you with shipping and packaging and labeling. Labeling, that's a great one. I mean, but really, there's a fine line, and with everything else, you gotta document everything you're doing. Give them a job description, pay them, have custodial accounts for them, pay them and put the money in those custodial accounts. And of course, please issue them a W-2 at the end of the year. That's probably the most important part, because if you do get audited, they're gonna ask you, where's the W-2? Okay, some people say, well, you're under 18, you didn't have any tax, so if you don't have any tax or Social Security, you don't have to do a W-2, but IRS is lazy. They're just gonna ask you for things that are sort of easy to get, like a W-2. No W-2, hey, what are you doing here? Are you really hiring people? I don't think so. So just do the W-2 at the end of the year and shift enough income to a management company or a family management company, or you can pay them from your S Corp, but you have to pay Social Security, and then you really have to do a W-2. Follow me for more tips on how to get your little minions working for you, but working for you in a way that IRS will also believe it. Have a great day.